Okay, now we're going to make a meal here using the parsley. First we're going to start out with some lettuce that we picked from the garden. And this lettuce is just picked. And we're going to put a little spinach in here that was just picked, so it's nice and fresh. And we don't want to get a whole bunch of this, just a little bit. We'll pull it out of our prepared bag, get it all in the bowl. Again, we want to break some of it up because it's easier to chew and digest if our food is well broke up. And we're going to here we are with the parsley. Now, I like lots of parsley in my food, so we're going to put a big bunch in there. We're going to cut it up, pull it apart, get it all nicely blended in there. And we're going to add a few more things here to make the salad more enjoyable. Some carrots, some celery, some broccoli, and maybe a little hemp seed to pick up the protein a little bit more. Some bee pollen, very nutritious. And then last, a little bit of dressing, make it taste really good. Put it across there, mix it all up. Here we are, ready to eat our salad.